Hey guys, I'm Mike Bills with Measurable Solutions, and this is Whiteboard Wednesday. And today we're going to be talking about a very key process or very key thing, talking about investing in your practice basically for free, right? So there's really so many different ways that you can invest and grow your practice without spending a whole lot of money, if any money at all, right? And really what that comes down to is every day you've got patients and staff that are your walking billboards, that are your walking promotion department, that are your walking advertisements, etc. And you've got to figure out ways to take advantage of that. Your staff, what are the things that they do out in the community? Do they coach teams? Do they do things at their church? Whatever it might be. You've got to invest in your staff and give them some ways that they can help you, right? So it really comes down to if you train your staff, and yes, by training I mean you could go out and you could buy training for your staff in terms of teaching them how to be a better therapist, etc., but that isn't necessarily free, right? So how do you get your staff trained? Well, there are some very easy management techniques that you can learn yourself and train them. And so you're training them with knowledge that you have. Or you can just teach them how to go to their church and put on a seminar or a workshop for people with back pain. That's free. There's no money that's involved in that. Your staff member gets the benefit of working to fill their schedule. They get, now they feel good because they've got that, etc. But train your staff how they can do that. It can be as simple as using a patient referral program. Train your staff on how and what to say to their patients to get patients referred to you from the patients that they're currently working with. That's so key. You get that in and it's free, right? Number two, patients are your walking billboard. They are and should be your best source of referrals. These days of waiting for patients to refer doctors to you, etc., needs to kind of go by the wayside. We are professionals, we have licenses, we have DPTs, etc. We want to help our patients to know how they can refer to us, because every patient that gets a great result, that is free promotion that's out there. And free other people walking in. They walk out of here, they go to the soccer field with their kids, they go to the pickup line at school, they go back to work, whatever it is, those patients need to be promoting for you. And then look at things processes that you guys have in place that you can improve. You can make so much money off of just taking something that you do, improving how you do it, and just be more efficient at it, right? We all look at, this whole concept of electronic documentation, etc. Well, the whole point of that is, while it's not free, the whole point of electronic documentation is it's supposed to free you up with time to be able to see more patients or provide better care, etc. So how can you take some processes that you have in place and improve them without spending a dime and end up with more patients, more visits, better efficiency, better production, etc. We've done so much growth over the course of the last 3 years in my practice without adding anything new, but just by improving our processes. And I know that you can do that as well. And you've got staff that want to help you to make things better, and you put them to work, you give them the tools that they need, you give them the time and the energy and the opportunity, and they will help you to improve those processes. So get your staff trained, get your patients promoting for you, and get processes that you've got in place, get those improved and make those better. I always talk about a spiral. The next rung up on the ladder, that's where you're making those improvements. And before you know it, you're investing in your practice for free without really spending any money and getting great results from it and being able to build your practice, etc. So get these action steps in place and you will be investing and getting great returns on your great dividends and returns. And in the comment section below, do me a favor, leave some comments. Let me know what you think about this. Any ideas you have for investing in your practice, share those with other people out there. We love to see what you guys are doing and how things are working for you. Because again, as I say all the time, my wins are your wins are my wins, and I love to hear about them. So thanks for joining us today, and I look forward to seeing you for next Wednesday's Whiteboard Wednesday, which is always on Wednesdays. Have a great day.